Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Zendesk subscription. All right. It is actually pretty easy to do. First up, go ahead and log into your account. And once you're in here, click on this icon, which is a box type icon. Just click on it, or maybe an application icon. Okay. So once that's done, just go ahead and click on Admin Center. You're going to want to go ahead over to Accounts right here in the left panel. Just click on it and go ahead over to Billing. And under that, just click on Subscriptions. All right. Now, you'll be able to see all of your subscriptions from here. Now, all you have to do is just click on Remove Products or Cancel Account button. All right. After that, you're just going to want to follow the simple prompts. Okay. Just a quick note, a Zendesk account can include multiple products. All right. For example, you might have an account that includes subscriptions to support, help with a guide, or maybe live chat and messaging with chat and sell. All right. You'll have to click on Remove one by one. All right. And when you finish selecting products to cancel, just click on Continue. And after that, a cancellation summary and survey will appear. Just basically select the reason why you're canceling and then click on Confirm Cancellation and you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.